tucked within the wide-open green spaces of Centennial Park. The Ian Potter Children's Wild Play Garden is one of Sydney's most exciting outdoor play destinations for kids. Designed to spark imagination and adventure, this nature-based playground invites children to climb, splash, dig, explore, and create using natural elements like water, sand, rocks, logs, and plants. It's playful, interactive, and refreshingly different from traditional playgrounds. The garden is thoughtfully laid out with winding paths, shaded areas, water play zones, and creative spaces that encourage free play and discovery. Kids can build cubbies, cross stepping stones, pump water, and explore textures and landscapes that change with the seasons. Parents love the relaxed, open design that blends seamlessly into the parkland setting, making it just as enjoyable to watch as it is to play. Perfect for families, school holiday outings, and weekend adventures, the Ian Potter Children's Wild Play Garden turns a visit to Centennial Park into a full-day experience. It's a place where kids can get muddy, curious, and creative, and where outdoor play feels like a true adventure. Don't forget to enjoy the little things in life, like our video, and subscribe to The Holiday Hunter, and we'll see you on the next adventure.